Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore subtitles styling using Kapwing templates, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To restore subtitle styling using Kapwing templates, start by opening the Kapwing website. Log into your account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the project dashboard. Click on the New Project button to create a new video project. Upload the video file you want to work with by either dragging it into the upload area or selecting it from your device. After the video uploads, find the subtitles option on the editing toolbar. Click on Subtitles to open the subtitle editor. If you already have subtitles, they will appear here. If not, you can generate subtitles automatically by clicking on Auto-Generate. Choose the language of your subtitles and click Create. To restore styling, look for the Templates option within the Subtitles section. Click on Templates to explore available styles. Browse through the subtitle templates and select one that fits your video. After selecting a template, apply it to your subtitles. You may also want to customize colors, fonts, and sizes as per your needs. Adjust the timing of your subtitles if necessary to ensure they sync perfectly with your video. Preview your video to see how the subtitles look with the new styling. Make any final adjustments to the subtitles or styling as needed. Once you are satisfied with the look, click on the Export button to render your video. Wait for the video to process, and then download the final product. Congratulations! You have successfully restored subtitle styling using Kapwing templates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.